Now, let us learn about water. Water can be found on earth in many forms. Once again, water can be found on earth in many forms. Once again, water can be found on earth in many forms. What are the forms? Water can be found in many forms. What are those forms? We can find the water in the form of snow, in the form of ice, or in the form of glaciers. And water can be present under the ground. Water can be present in the rivers. Water can be present in the lakes, in the waterfalls, in the seas, or in the oceans. We can see many water bodies, and also the water can be found in different bodies, and the water can be found in different forms also. Water can be found in different water bodies, and also the water can be found in different forms. What are the different forms of the water? The different forms of the water are ice, snow, glaciers, etc. And what are the different water bodies? Rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, oceans. Is it clear to you? All these are different water bodies. And let us learn about these different water bodies. If you see, first of all, the earth consists of 3/4 of the water. Once again, the earth contains 3/4 of the water. For example, if this is the earth contains 3/4 of the water. Let us continue.